First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister Biren distributes uniforms to Manipur police personnel. Rate of road accidents can be reduced if people are heedful, says Chief Secretary Dr. Suraj Babu. And understanding need of mental health care of children, adolescents deliberated. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Singh today distributed uniform items including belts and shoes to the Manipur police personnel during a function at the parade ground of 1st Manipur Rifle Imphal. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, Mahood Minister Karam Siam and Health Minister L. Kumar and top officials of Manipur police were also present during the event. Biren said that it is the responsibility of the government to look after the welfare of security personnel who are busy maintaining law and order. Biren was displeased that in the past, very low quality belts were provided to the state cops. He urged that we must stand united against the practice of corruption. He asserted that the government has been tackling the problem of corruption in most of the government departments. 17 items of uniform were distributed to the personnel, which worth around ₹5 crore during the event, where cabinet ministers, MLAs and top officials of Manipur Police Department were present.
Best quality personnel I am an investigation to the J. Bell CNS have a pyramid with Tangudaina. Some in a store, I was so desperate. Plastic bora, so good not conjugate with a Kongo could put on the Kang Loud, so mine a pipe of Kongo on the Timothy. Waterproof Ren Kogi Kanogi Leramiba. Raincoat later, me go to Kang now. I'm the desperate way. I don't know. I'll never allow to happen it again.
Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu today stated that the rate of road mishaps occurring in the state can be positively reduced in case the people are heedful. He was participating in a program to launch the 31st National Road Safety Week at the ISBT complex Imphal, organized by the State Transport Department. Dr. Suresh Babu said despite routine awareness programs are given to all, especially the youngsters, the road accident rate has gone up to at 22%, 13% of fatalities and 15% of injuries in Manipur. Given this situation, the Chief Secretary underscored the need of all parents to take care of their children. DGP of Manipur Police LM Khaute, Transport Director Mersina R. Panmay, NCC Group Commander Brigadier R.S. Sethi, Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy and Superintendent of Police Traffic Control Wing Sarma Khoisnam were present during the program. Those who have played major role in maintaining road safety were also honored at the event, which was followed by a cycle rally carrying the message of road safety.
Traffic signal system is functional for the last 1 year. But I am very happy that the people are not violating the traffic signals like any other state. You come and see, people keep on crossing and violating the rules as they like in spite of a signal control system. But in Manipur, there is a self-imposed discipline that is being practiced. But what is missing here is a lane traffic. People are not following the lane traffic. Only at the signal, they are holding back at the zebra line. And once it is over, this cross speed picks up. So we have to inculcate the lane traffic, and also our traffic is a mix-up of different transport modes.
National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR), in collaboration with Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR), organized a one-day state-level consultation program on understanding of the need of mental health care of children and adolescents, especially children with disabilities, at lamjingbatomtv Palace compound. The event was attended by member of MCPCR L. Meghraj Sharma, Senior Technical Engineer, Notice, Sale and Education Division, NCPCR Paresh Shah, State Commission for Persons with Disabilities, Manipur, Dr. R.K. Kumarjit Singh, Chairperson of MCPCR Sumati Bala Ningthausam, and HOD of Department of Social Work, IZN Tribal University and Seva Bharati, Manipur. Speaking at the consultation program, MCPCR Chairperson Sumati Bala Ningthausam cited that expectation by parents is one of the reasons for cropping up mental health issues among children, adding that stress, harassment, sexual assault and trauma are also some of the factors contributing in mental health issue.
We require hematologists also. How to carry hematologists, blood desensitization to check up here at this level. So these are the things, because it is not a plain area. Even though it is a very small state, we have a lot of troubles to reach out all these areas, to give, say, awareness program. Say, Tamil is not very far, but we cannot return back on the same day. And it takes time to reach there. And on the way also we may get threatened. So, and we have to give money to those parents, to those persons who attend the awareness program. We have to give some sort of money or edible things in plate or boxes or something like that, and we have to come back again. These are the things happening in Manipur.
Ramsa SSA teachers today began an indefinite cease-work strike over non-clearance of 6 months' pay. They pledged that the strike will continue till a permanent solution is brought to the issue. At the office complex of JTO Zone 1 Khuyatong, spokesperson Ngasam Singhajit told media that future of the Ramsa SSA teachers has become unpredictable due to non-payment of salary, unclear line of promotion and other issues.
Dana Pamiba, the Gay and the Giswa strike, Zatadori Baze, Kagino Haitargadi, Kogi Tataruki PSC pending the later, Tataruk Surekotolo Pangdaba, of the Gay Kogi Kanon Sisu, Tabak Sisu, Kadum the Kamina Togdino Kangdri. Tha ni hungi to lopitoga aduda khoi lotion madu hadakti lotion jaroi akhoi ko ina permanent solution ama porokti bawa khoi hadakti dana wagera aduga khogi kano se siswa asrai se lepta bida khoi sathajagani.
Meanwhile, commenting on the matter, Chief Minister N. Biren said that the demands of the teachers are reasonable, but claimed that the teachers have been victimized by the appointment process of the previous government. However, Chief Minister assured that the matter will be brought up in the cabinet soon to facilitate prompt release of the pending salary.
Ramsa ki taseng madi masi scheme mami makhada tobuni. Adu masida da lobo matam da confusion khara lai rame. Ramsa ki waja wo riba sing sigi maranate. Koi government ki matam dugi da ki khitang khoi na moi da piram commitment kaya adu Tolop Kiduki Yarani, but the things Mogi absorption to Bugi Matangse, a quay Kitang cabinet, the hectic discussion of Sangi. Adubu, see human problem, Yakumating Panabona neither.
Members of Manipur Government Services Federation MGSF and Manipur State Pensioner Union MSPU today lauded the prompt action of Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. SURAJ Babu in issuing the order to release the pending pension amount, apart from appointment of Treasury Officer. The association further appealed to the authority concerned to continue with such steps so that pensioners in the state are given due importance. All Manipur Students Union AMSU Women Wing today strongly condemned the incident wherein a young girl named Mahima Khan of class 12 student was reportedly raped and murdered near Khakri railway station in Pune, Maharashtra on January 10th. It may be mentioned that the deceased Mahima Khan is the daughter of retired army personnel Mohammad SURAJ and Ruhida Khan of Yairipok Bamoleka in Thobal district. They were staying in the quarter number 37/1, Type D, Rens Hill, Khakri, Pune. The quarter was allotted to Mohammad SURAJ Khan. Briefing media persons at MSHU headquarters, Women Affairs Secretary Moibung Khongbam Monalisa condemned the alleged cruel nature of the mainland Indians shown towards the Northeast students, which is clearly witnessed by everyone for a long time. Such motherly treatment to the Northeast students should be stopped immediately. She added, she also drew the attention of the state government to pressure the Maharashtra government to arrest those culprits involved in the crime at the earliest and punish them according to the law of the land.
Manipur government na sida step amta lokhat pirak taba taragadi tumina sum lesson biba tar akhoi gi mapalamda iche ichan mayam ma laik tamjariba no makangdana rape to biriba no makandana hatok piriba mayam ase Manipur government na yare masana yare tawgrasu kaimta akhoi Manipur government na kaimta yengsillaroi haiba tang 12 da siraga phangbar rape to biraba matungda yam tamthina hatok piraga siraga phanglaba nupi macha ase Manipur government na hojipukda kaimta Maharashtra government da kaimta masigi damakta kaimta taksin birakta ba ase yamna thamoi sokna nungaijade aduna athubada Manipur government na taksin biduna asigi rape to rapist singbu chairak pibina bagi damakta taksin binaba haijari.
Demanding the Bishop House Manipuri to withdraw the transfer order of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Sangaipur Principal Father Victor, members of the Nupi Weavers Welfare Association Lukram Lirak Part 3 staged a sit-in protest in front of the school gate today. The protesters held placards expressing resentment against the sudden transfer of the principal. Talking to TOMTV, Publicity Secretary of the association, Roni Mayengbam, said that the association has even approached the bishop to cancel the transfer order on the ground that the present principal actively works for the betterment of students. Tremendous changes have been witnessed by the students and the administration since he came. Roni said and warned that the association will lock the school gate if the school authority does not cancel the transfer order.
Mana minungsi uli basi akoi angang ama magi school da horaki yengkhom lerakta ma hojik blind oigre mami tangba sat angang mai punsi mo oidana leibadagi fathers na mangonda donate tawbiraga yamna minungsi chawba sugumba se Catholic society da ahan ba uzaba haibase Father Victor ne tasengna mahak lakpadagi akoi gi school gi infrastructure yam phagalai loina la level 12 hogi bada akoi exam piba matamda totally akoi thariba satra sing first division da loina ba pass tawgiba ngaktani mahakti Atai school gumna mahak first division da position holder oiba satra man leiraga magi school na larik tamhan bagi haina bi mangoda magi adugi behavior leite ba tasengna madi semkat chabani route tagi asugum laba phajagraba magi yamna yamna kaidoba section ba haiba tare masiguma mayam sing yakoi nang leriba koi local area gi mioi sing jina okay uzabadagi hairiba father se magi transfer order se cancel tawbiyu tasengna sahi ani dangdedi extend tawbiraga school sibu implement pubirakpa madi tungi yanglen saru ebigadoriba satra singse sibu sangbat pibada matam khar katang saru yahan biu haibasine khoina thamjaningi basi
chalhaning dei che angang school angang se pharak pasida chalhaning da bani mana sengkolakpa satra singje parikha tawdri 11 12 ki lai ko machigi parikha chi baw loi baw da di thamningi afaba mi ai do oibani na.
Social activist Ngachonmi Ramsang said that we must preserve our own culture as it defines one's identity. He was attending the second general conference, Literary, Cultural and Sports Meet of Khukok Students Union at Lausang village of Fungyar Assembly Constituency under Kamjong district, organized on the theme Our Land, Our Wealth. The program, which began on January 10, will continue till January 17. Ngachonmi Ramsang inaugurated the cultural program on the second day of the general conference, Literary, Cultural and Sports Meet yesterday. At the event, Ngachonmi called upon all students' organizations to focus on culture. The social activists stressed on the preservation of land and culture before adding that even developed countries are on the look for their roots to safeguard the interests of indigenous people. He also expressed discontentment over some people detaching themselves from culture and costume as they are only after modernization. School Management Committee of Public High School Lamapokpam in Nambol today distributed textbooks and took measurement of uniforms for around 600 students of the school. Speaking at the event, headmistress of the school L. Manglembi expressed happiness over the ever-increasing number of students in government schools. She also sought support of the parents and guardians in successful running of the government school.
2019 January dagidi akoy school se mapung phaba satra chatruk muk leiraga ran tawjarakpani ato kamai tawna government school se muktang di mapung phaba school lama pahin sigena kan hona jabadagi ngasi mapung phaba adung laba satra singsi oirakhibani akoy school asichu model school gi selection tawaba dum school lamani.
Kurai MLA Lesang Them Susildro said that the state government has taken up steps to legalize marijuana and that efforts are on to supply it to pharmaceutical companies outside the country. He said this during the 23rd Foundation Day celebration of Meitei Huyen Lalong Sintam Sanglen at Awanglekintavi Football Playground today. The celebration was held on the theme Universal Peace and Love under the aegis of Universal Friendship Organization. MLA El Susindro further stated that Universal Friendship Organization UFO has been taking active role in protecting and saving the environment, saying that Sajal and UFO have been operating with their own money. The state government needs to provide fund to the organizations for effective and smooth functioning.
UFO ki panam chika ino hai bise mayam da khangal liba samaina akoi member khudimangna akoi khangal lagadi haiba UFO haiba akoi organization je hena masing yam kolakani hena sapong makane akoi gi leiriba UFO gi leiriba organization si chakolan ge haraga de natragane hena mapum phan ge de akoi no hona da mim ta lago honaro masa gi tuan organization leibani aduna masa gi adu organization di moina phada hona ne aduna akoi jo akoi gi leiriba children sing punamana sumba friendship organization asi chakolan bhai je akoi isagi achobo dai tabane na koi logdabani.
District Administration Thoubal has organized a two-day awareness cum facilitation workshop on implementation of ILP in Manipur at Yashta Ground, Thoubal today. ILP forms were issued to 150 non-locals from parts of Thoubal during the program. Assistant Commissioner of District Administration Thoubal Polem Lenin said that ILP permits will be available at all Secretariat building, Thoubal DC, for those who fail to collect it today.
Iriba Yalhomi Nataba, Amadi Permanent Resident Certificate Paidaba, New Paipuna Magna, Haribo Workshop City Kanava, Nobi Hobio, Amadi Thoubal DC Office, room number 36, Old Secretariat Building. ILP the Monte Special Counter Mahangana Tanjara Hosere, Amadi Thoubal the Libiriba Non Manipuri. Barada Thamiba Newsinasu Masigi workshop Asiki Kanaba, Logi Onava, Thoubal DC administration in Maitagi, April 1000.
Uripok Apunbanupi Loop and Women's Development Association Uripok Polemleka have strongly condemned the threat by family of Manipuri film actress Manda to take legal action against President of Poirei Lemirol Meira Paibi Apunba Manipur, El Memchobi. Manda and her husband are accused of forcibly taking away a differently abled girl from her home without informing the parents, as the girl owes money to them on September 11th last year. Women's Development Association Uripok Polemlekai Secretary Anubam Javedi told media at Uripok Polemlekai Community Hall today that Salam Ibo Yaima and his wife Salam Manda of Kwakatil Laistramlekai had forcibly took away Y Ebenau, daughter of Yumkhai Bampi Baton of Uripok Polemlekai. A police complaint was lodged against them at Imphal West Police Station, but no action has been taken up so far, Jabri lamented.
Pururaga nongalaga mabengi mangonda thamjal lamba asigumba natai jataba minungsi yaudaba thawongsi ururaga imam chowina mateng pangbirakibani ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ 이마ꯒꯤ ꯃꯋꯥꯗꯣ ꯃꯟꯗꯥ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯎꯁꯤꯠ ꯊꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡ ꯁꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯎꯔꯤꯕꯣꯛ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯨꯞꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯛꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ
VDF Welfare Association extended help to the family of Let Akhom Binanda, aged 30, son of A. Gobadhon Singh of Kangmom Langolzam Maningrikai. Binanda, a VDF personnel, died on New Year's Day following a road accident at Nangangkalawai of Tidim Road on the Moirang Police Station. Additional Superintendent Operations of Bishnupur District, KSH Manihar, Association President L. Devan, Vice President Ovizoi, Cashier and Sanjeet, and Publicity Secretary and Rameshwar were present during the monetary help handing over event. At the Congress-led opposition meeting in the Parliament complex today, Congress interim President Sonia Gandhi said the Narendra Modi and Amit Shah-led government stood exposed for its inability to govern and provide security to people in the wake of widespread protests against the Amendment Citizenship Act and the violence on campuses. Gandhi said the government has let loose rein of operation and is spreading hatred in order to divide people along sectarian lines. Accusing the Prime Minister and Home Minister of misleading the nation on CAA and NRC, Gandhi said that they have contradicted their own statements of only weeks ago and continue with their provocative statements while remaining insensitive to the state suppression and violence that is increasingly becoming commonplace. She highlighted that CAA and NRC might be the immediate reasons for the recent protests, but they reflect widespread frustration and pent-up anger of citizens, which is now out in the open. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Hunter Equine and Pony Care Center Kumbi jointly kick off a two-day district-level US Rural Polo Coaching Camp at Kumbi Polo Ground. The inauguration program was attended by Kumbi MLA S. Bira Singh, Chairperson and Vice Chairperson of Kumbi Municipal Council, Joint Director of District Veterinary Officer Bishnupur P. Gozendra Singh, American Polo Coach Edward Armstrong, Somi Roy of Hunter Equine and International Polo player N. Asha Kiran. The two-day polo coaching camp will be held under Edward Armstrong and Caroline Stimmel. Speaking about the camp, Coach Edward Armstrong said that the camp will promote polo as well as Manipuri pony. MLA S. Bira said that the ground and its infrastructure will be developed under Khelo India. He urged everyone to preserve and promote the game of polo by keeping aside politics.
Hana Kalbada Karaket, one of Toko Portnaham. I don't know. And go over. I don't buy Puna Taramaba, Yaran, then I will have a Mashigumba set, Mashidadi, Rajati set, Aina, Dunia, near Hyper set, Mashi, Tobitanaba.
We're glad to be here and glad to see the enthusiasm of the kids and the people today for the return of polo to Kumbi Village.
Sunrise Club Kadamtala defeated BHLC Chotobekara by 9-1 in the second round pre-quarterfinal knockout match of the ongoing Moirangthem Jodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2019-2020 today. HL Club will take on Dibong while BBU against Barak Circle in tomorrow's third round pre-quarterfinal no-out matches. Organized by All Jiribam Sports Association AJSA, the football tournament began on January 3rd at Jiribam High Secondary School playground. While Maharashtra is leading at the national level, Tripura is on the top of the list of northeastern states in the medal tally of the third Khelo India Youth Games 2020 in Guwahati as on Sunday. Maharashtra is on the top of the medal tally with a total of 38 medals, including 12 gold, 10 silver and 16 bronze medals, followed by Delhi with a total of 23 medals, including 8 gold, 6 silver and 9 bronze. Uttar Pradesh is in the third position with a total of 16 medals, including 7 gold, 3 silver and 6 bronze in the 3rd edition of Khelo India Youth Games. Among the northeastern states, Tripura is leading with a total of 5 medals, including 4 gold and 1 silver, followed by Manipur with a total of 10 medals, including 2 gold, 1 silver and 7 bronze medals. Assam has so far gathered a total of 6 medals, including only 1 gold, 2 silver and 3 bronze, followed by Mizoram with 1 gold. The other northeastern states are yet to win any medal in the mega sports event. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren distributes uniforms to Manipur police personnel. Rate of road accidents can be reduced if people are heedful, says Chief Secretary Dr. SURAJ Babu. And understanding need of mental health care of children, adolescents deliberated. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.